Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to you all. Welcome to Tenerife. Welcome to this 6th European Tram Driver Championship. We are celebrating today this new edition of the TRAM-EM competition that is going to take place here in this beautiful island, Tenerife, and most precisely in Santa Cruz de Tenerife, its capital. It is the capital of the Canary Island, one of the two capitals of this special and amazing islands, and it is situated in Tenerife, the biggest and most important island in Canary Island. This city is home of the Parliament of the Canary Islands, and it has a population of more than 200,000 people, and it has a very special party called Carnival, and it's very popular all around the world. I am sure that you have heard about it. Well, welcome to this championship. We're going to explain how is it going to be, because today we have 23 cities fighting for being the best. They come from all around Europe, and Jerusalem, who's also participating today with us. We have, as I said, 23 cities. Each one of them has a team. The team has 2 members. One of them is a guy, the other one is a woman, and they have to complete successfully 4 different disciplines in the morning, and in the afternoon they are going to do the 4 disciplines again, but depending on the scores that they get this morning, we are going to make the schedule of this afternoon. But for the morning, I can tell you that if you are seeing us from Budapest, you're going to be the second city participating, because Tenerife, as the local heroes, are going to be the first one. And as you see there, they are already celebrating before the competition even starts. So Brussels is going to be the 3rd city, following by Jerusalem. Berlin, hello to everyone watching us from Berlin, the city that was the home of this championship last year. And we also have Rotterdam participating in the 6th place, and Porto. Vienna is going to be the 8th one, then Dublin. Then we're going to have Zurich in the 11th position. Malaga, also from Spain. We have different cities from Spain. And Frankfurt from Germany, who's the country that has the more participants today. Stockholm is going to be the next one, and now we are in the 14th position with Dresden from Germany. And Lyon from France is going to be the 5th one today. I will see there Flores and Brussels, but let's get there. We go now to Barcelona, who has the 16th position in the competition today, also from Spain. And Bergen from Norway is going to be the 7th. If you're seeing us today from Gothenburg in Sweden, you're going to be the 8th one participating, and following by Parla, another city in Spain, and Paris. Paris is going to be number 20 participating today. Then Leipzig and Florence, and closing this competition, as you should say, last but not least, Stuttgart from Germany. So we have started this morning with a very happy band, I could say, because they started playing like half an hour ago, and everyone here started dancing and moving with their music. They are the 101 brass band, and as you can see, everyone is getting ready for the presentation ceremony. It's going to take place in a few minutes. We are waiting for this presentation ceremony, where we are going to have the opportunity of knowing every team, particularly one of them is from Tenerife, and because it is the city we are today, so it's very important for us today. But of course all the 23 are important today, and let's see who's going to be the first one. We are now seeing all the different points that are going to be in this live streaming signal that we have prepared today for you. As you see, we're going to have a very good perspective of all the important places in all the disciplines, all the tests today. As you can see, we are going to see very well the inside of the cockpit where the tram driver is going to be placed, and there you are, the main stage where the opening ceremony is going to take place every year. But now we are going to hear those special words.
This championship. First of all, a big thank you to the team of Metro Tenerife, who does a fantastic job in supporting us. They're all very motivated and they are doing a great job to host this event and to do the best for us to have a great event and to have a good time with all the drivers from all over Europe. A big applause to Metro Tenerife. We've been organizing the championship for 6 years now, starting in 2012 in Dresden with 12 teams, I think, from 7 countries or something. And every year it's been getting bigger and bigger and more international. So this year we're going to have another 2 countries that are competing for the first time. That's Ireland and Israel. So it's getting more and more international. And I know it's a competition, it's a championship, it's about winning, but it's also about international experience, exchange, about meeting colleagues from other countries, about driving a different tramway in a different town, and it's all about having fun. So don't forget, even if you're all very nervous, don't forget it's all about having fun and having a good time. So to present the 23 teams we got here from 14 different countries, we prepared a small video about every country, about every city, about every team. And we're going to show you the videos, and then the teams will come up on stage and present. De Budapest, Zsuzsanna Ledniczki e Ferenc Nagy. Un gran applauso.
As you can see, there are moving signs. So as I said before, the next drivers won't have the same reference, so it's always difficult to hold them all. Now the next team participating is going to be Budapest from Hungary. In Budapest we have 32 lines that carries attention. 1,342,000 people every year, and they have 2,134 trams with more than 9,000 employees. They have 83% of male employees and 17% of female. And they are planning for the 2017 to extending tram line 1 and developing the Cock Railway line of Budapest, as well as purchasing new tram cars. Maybe they are thinking about buying the tram cars that are here in Tenerife, if they like them. And the kilometers of the 32 lines that they have are 308 kilometers, which is a lot. And the tram in Budapest was founded in 1887, so it's really old. They have a lot of experience. And as you know, Budapest is a popular tourist destination, standing on the 37th place worldwide among the 100 most popular cities. And And in this team, we have Nagy, Ferenc Nagy, and Zsuzsanna Ledniczki. And if you are watching us from Budapest, hello to you all. Good morning. And of course, you can participate. You can comment. You can tell us everything in English, please. And you can do it on Twitter using the hashtag TRAM-EM. It's TRAM-EM. I repeat, TRAM-EM. TRAM-EM. Using this hashtag, I will read your comments, and you can participate, or you can send maybe your support to your team. Well, as I said, Ferenc Nagy is going to be the male driver, and Zsuzsanna Ledniczki is going to be the female driver, which is going to be the second driver this morning. They start the first discipline. Let's see if they get the 30 kilometers. This is the speed and brake, I remind you. Speeding up to 30 kilometers per hour. Well, Ferenc likes traveling, so he's absolutely enjoyed this traveling to Tenerife, for sure. And well, I cannot see the sign, so they might have stopped. Okay, well, they stopped correctly. Let's see if they got the 30 kilometers per hour. We have to wait until the police confirm that, so we'll know after, not right now. Well, let's see the second discipline. Yes, she asked for help, but what she has to do is to move the dummy. Yes, she has to move Michelle Alonso, our siren. We call her the siren from Tenerife, because she really swims very well. And now she's moving it. It's not so heavy, I think. Yep. Well, she decides whether to risk much or less. It depends on what she wants to do. If she moves the dummy closer to the tram might touch her, and if the tram touches Michelle, they are not disqualified, but they don't get points. That's the point. Let's see. Ooh, the tram touched the dummy. Not very good. I think she risked too much. Well, come on, let's go to the next discipline. We are in the third one, and this is the exact stop. Yep, they have to exactly stop in that way that the third double door of the tram, which is the fourth door, by the way, because the first one is just a single door, stopped exactly in front of the sign placed in the pavement. So let's see. I can see Zsuzsanna is worried. Have you seen her face? She's absolutely worried. Well, concentrate, I think. Very good. 300 points for them. Very, very well done. They get 300 points in this third discipline. Now we go for the fourth one. It's the overrun test. They have to start running the tram and using the breakers. Stop after completing 32.5 meters distance.
marca, en este caso de 50 puntos, del equipo húngaro, que ahora deben salir del tranvía, acceder al otro tranvía situado en la otra vía para derribar los bolos.
They're running out the tram and they're going to the second tram because they have to complete the last discipline, the tram bowling. Let's see how many pins they can get down.
Okay.
What happened? What happened? Oh, they didn't get to touch the ball. Well, hurry up, hurry up. Anyway, they have to stop the time. And let's see if this afternoon they can do better. For sure, they do better in the afternoon. Well, this was Team Budapest. And before we start with the next team, which is going to be Team Brussels, we have with us here Carlos Alonso, who is the president of the island government. Good morning, Carlos Alonso. Welcome. Yeah, I'm very good, and we are now being heard by people all around Europe. I have told them that we are wanting to know. Well, the first place is for Frankfurt, Bergen second, Vienna third, for Stockholm, doubling in the fifth place. We keep with the sixth is Paris, Barcelona seventh, Leipzig 8, Dresden 9, and Tenerife in the 10th place. That's the top 10. We keep with Budapest, Berlin, Parla, very good, Rotterdam, Brussels, and I still have Gothenburg, Porto, Stuttgart, Florence, Lyon, and let's see which is the last one, Malaga, Jerusalem, and Zurich. Well, surprisingly, Zurich, well, as Jerusalem, they had the same amount of points, so, but if they last, it's because they did more time than Jerusalem. So they're going to be the first one this afternoon, starting the competition.
En la posición número 16, Göteborg, 17 Oporto, 18 Stuttgart, 19 Florencia, 20 Lyon, 21 Málaga, 22 Jerusalén, para el lío rojo, Zurich.
They are really happy. They got points in all the disciplines. That's very good. With the Anna Barragan driving. But now we move to German and move to the capital, right to Berlin, to see how they do today. They have experience. They participate in the last year competition, who took place in Berlin, so they were there, of course. And well, now they are performing very well today. But well, let's see how this ends, because now we have Franka Sontag driving with her fashion sunglasses wearing on. Yeah. Oh, he stopped far away from the signal. Well, he passed through the signal actually. And now Torsten Franz, he's the assistant driver today. Well, this afternoon, in the morning he was the driver. And he's placing Michel close to the track. Let's see. The presenter today, Ivo, has said that Parla has the because it's there. Parla has the best score today. As you can see, 2,670 points for them. Congratulations, Parla. It's going to be really difficult to have more points, but good luck to all the teams. Well, Berlin is in charge now. I want to know if someone has said something in Twitter. I remind you, we have the hashtag TRAM-EM TRAM-EM. That's the hashtag for today, in case you want to say hello or anything. Yeah, well.
De los que han competido por la tarde, todavía quedan los mejores de la mañana. En aparecer en la primera posición es para Parla, segundo Zurich.
Yeah, they're going to get points in this test. Very good.
La marca ahora de Berlín.
Very good, well done. 400 points. He's so happy. And he has to change the tram. She's ready and he's on board. Let's start trampoline. I don't know if you can hear the bell, but this is a typical bell of trams here in Santa Cruz. If you hear the bell, you have to be careful. Trams are close. Well, I think they hit it almost. They hit almost all the balls, and they did really well. 3 minutes, 5 seconds. They were really fast. I think you should have extra points if you do it quickly. I should tell this to Bilan. Berlin, yeah, celebrating. They did great. And we get ready for the next team while we wait for the score of Berlin. They might have gotten lots of points, so let's see if they can be better than Parla, who is in the top right now. Zsuzsanna and Ferenc from Budapest. They are the next one. Next team starting. Who's going to be the driver? Yeah, she's going to be the driver. Zsuzsanna Ledniczki. Well, she likes hiking, doing handcraft and painting. She has one daughter. And she has the best result in the company Women's Tram Driver Championship. Whoa, we can see the point of Berlin. 3,200. Better than Parla, better than everyone. They did really, really well. Moving the dummy. Wow, you can hear they're presenting, speaking and animating the audience, because the next team is Tenrife team. Yeah, they are very excited about Team Tenerife performing this afternoon. And they are chilling up Vicente and Candida, Team Tenerife. But first, let's see Budapest finishing. Now we have Zsuzsanna changing cockpit and getting ready for this difficult test in which she has to stop. She has to stop precisely in the exact point. And the stop there, very well done. Yeah, almost 500, but they got 400 points. Budapest, and there you are, Berlin paying attention to the competition, because now they are for now they are the winners, but we have lots of things left, so we don't know what's going to happen here in Santa Cruz in this 6th European Tram Driver Championship.
Fue el 10º que mejor puntuación obtuvo. El tranvía de Budapest, frenando para ver qué marca hacen en el suelo.
Yeah, very good, very good. Oh, well done. 300 points.
500 puntos.
300 points for them.
Ahora vienen a por el otro tranvía que está situado en la línea número 2.
Yeah. Well, now second tram.
Cuando se pare. Para. Ahora. No, para. Los goles. El tiempo de todas maneras en caso de empate. Por eso que tampoco.
They're placing the balls. As you can see, the people from the organization, the local organization, are really happy that now it's the turn of Team Tenerife. But first, Budapest, tram bowling, right now. Get ready for the hit. Yeah! Whoa. Ah, very good. I'm going to stop the time. Yeah, Budapest, 4 minutes, 26 seconds. Congratulations, Budapest. Very well done. Very well done here in this competition. Great job. You should be proud. Very good.
Aquí están Vicente y Candy. Candy y Vicente, le toca el turno a Candy. Y Vicente lo único que le dice es, tú olvídate del tiempo. Olvídate del tiempo. Porque el tiempo solo interviene en caso de empate. Hay que intentar conseguir la máxima punta.
Paris, Berlin, Frankfurt. So finally, Paris wins today. Berlin in the second place, and Frankfurt, they are going to be the third. Congratulations to them all. These are the winners in the team competitions. I remind you that we have awards as well for the best male driver and the best female driver, but these are the winners in the main competition, in the team competition. First one, Paris. Second, Berlin. And third, Frankfurt.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment. After a day full of emotions, a lot of heart beating, a lot of fun, we're now going to announce the best European tram drivers. Today we saw 46 amazing performances of tram drivers from all over Europe, from Ireland to Israel, from Stockholm to Oporto to Tenerife. And I think we can all agree that they all did a very good job given the pressure they were under, and we've seen a lot of professional performances, and I think we can all say, okay, it's really safe to sit in a tramway. They know their job. A big applause to all the tram drivers, to the amazing performances we've seen today.
Claudia está pues haciendo un repaso al gran trabajo que han hecho los 46 conductores de tranvías de toda Europa presentes en este sexto campeonato celebrado aquí en Tenerife, y habla también de la profesionalidad de todos ellos, porque debemos sentirnos realmente seguros cuando vamos dentro de un tranvía.
And I think most of you have seen all the disciplines, and you've seen it wasn't easy at all. It's not so easy to drive a tramway, and the teams and the drivers we're gonna award now, they can really be proud to say I'm the best in my profession in Europe.
Ella dice, pues lo que hemos visto durante todo el día, que no es nada fácil conducir un tranvía en primer lugar y segundo, pues máxime con las pruebas que han tenido que enfrentarse cada uno de ellos, con lo cual el ganador en el día de hoy puede decir orgulloso que es el mejor conductor de tranvías de Europa.
So for the award ceremony, we would like to start with the women category.
Para comenzar vamos a hacerlo con el premio a la mejor conductora.
The third place, sorry, in the women category of the 6th European Tram Drivership goes to Alexandra Engeset from Bergen, Norway.
De Noruega, la conductora noruega es don Andrés Muñoz, director gerente de Metro Tenerife, quien entrega el premio. Alexandra de Bergen, Noruega, la tercer mejor conductora. Vamos con el premio a la segunda.
The second place in the 6th European Tram Driver Championship goes to Zsuzsanna Ledniczki from Budapest, Hungary. Congratulations.
La húngara Zsuzsanna Ledniczki de Budapest, segunda, recibe el premio de manos de don Miguel Becerra, vicepresidente de Metro Tenerife. Y llegamos al premio de la mejor conductora de Europa.
And the best European female tram driver of 2017 is Franka Sonntag from Berlin, Germany. Great performance today. Congratulations.
De Berlín, Alemania, la mejor conductora de Europa, que recibe su trofeo de manos de don Carlos Alonso, presidente del Cabildo Insular de Tenerife.
And maybe I do reveal a secret now, but she was also the best driver overall of men and women today. Highest points.
Es la mejor conductora global, tanto en hombres como en mujeres, la que mejor puntuación ha obtenido. Lo hemos dicho por activa y por pasiva en el día de hoy. Las mujeres conducen mejor que los hombres. Aplauso para las tres mejores mujeres. Aplausos por the three best women. Y ahora vamos al premio masculino. Now it's time for the prizes of the men competition, of the men drivers.
Thank you.
Vamos en primer lugar con el premio al tercer mejor conductor.
So we start the award ceremony of the best male driver, also with the third place. The third place of the 6th European Tram Driver Championship goes to Christoph Engelmann from Zurich, Switzerland. Congratulations.
De Zurich, de Suiza, el tercer mejor conductor. Recibe el premio de manos de don Andrés Muñoz, director gerente de Metro Tenerife. Vamos con el premio al segundo mejor conductor.
The second place of the 6th European Tram Drivership Championship goes to Thilo Corbin of Frankfurt, Germany. Congratulations.
Tío de Frankfurt, Alemania, el segundo mejor conductor, recibiendo el premio de manos de don Miguel Becerra, vicepresidente de Metro Tenerife.
And now, last but not least,
El mejor conductor de Europa.
the best male tram driver of Europe 2017 is Karim Manouche, Paris, France.
De París, de Francia. El mejor
Felicitación.
conductor de Europa.
Félicitations.
Recibiendo el premio de manos de don Carlos Alonso, presidente del Cabildo Insular de Tenerife y presidente de Metro Tenerife. Los 3 mejores conductores de Europa. Y ahora llegamos al premio de los mejores equipos. La combinación entre tanto el conductor como la conductora.
So the last and most important category is the best European tram driver team, because it's all about teamwork. We've seen it today. Most disciplines you need your partner to be successful.
Es la competición por equipos que es el premio más importante. Han visto que en bastantes pruebas pues hay que trabajar en equipo, con lo cual este es el premio más importante, el premio al mejor equipo.
And again we start with the third place. The third place of the 2017 European Tram Drivership goes to Frankfurt, Germany, Sandra Kuhn and Thilo Corbin.
Frankfurt, Alemania. Tercer puesto de la general, el equipo alemán, el equipo de Frankfurt.
3,180 points in total.
Recibió el premio de manos de don Andrés Muñoz, director gerente de Metro Tenerife. Vamos ahora a conocer el equipo, el segundo clasificado.
We continue with the second place of the European Tram Driver Championship. The second place of the European Tram Driver Championship 2017 goes to Berlin, Germany.
La segunda plaza también para un equipo alemán, para el equipo de Berlín. Recibiendo el premio de manos de don Miguel Becerra, vicepresidente de Metro Tenerife.
They bet Frankfurt by 20 points only, so very, very close race.
La diferencia entre Berlín y Frankfurt solo de 20 puntos. Y llega el momento de conocer el equipo ganador, el mejor equipo de Europa de conductoras de tranvía.
And now's the moment to award the biggest, the most important trophy of this year's competition. The trophy for the best European tram driver team 2017. And the first prize goes to Paris, France.
La capital francesa, París, el equipo ganador.
El equipo de Corinne Leroy et Karim Anouche. Félicitations les deux. Félicitations à la France.
Recibiendo el premio de manos de don Carlos Alonso, presidente del Cabildo Insular de Tenerife y presidente de Metro Tenerife. nacional de Francia para celebrar la victoria de París como mejor equipo.
There you are, all the participants today. Barcelona, Bergen, Brussels, Budapest, Dresden, Dublin, Stockholm, Florence, Frankfurt, Gothenburg, Jerusalem, Hamburg, Leipzig, Lyon, Malaga, Paris, Parla, Oporto, Porto, Rotterdam, Stuttgart, Tenerife, Vienna, and Zurich. All of them on the stage taking this family picture, and we are finishing with the rhythm of this drum group called Bloco del Valle. They are making everyone crazy here, and the party here continues. This has been this sixth competition and this sixth European Tram Drivers Championship. I hope you have enjoyed it, and next year in Stuttgart I'll see you there, and we will see how it's going to be next year. But it has been great here in Santa Cruz de Tenerife. Congratulations to all the winners, to all the participants, to all the organization. Very well done to all to all the people who has been participating in this streaming today, to all the technical people behind the cameras that you don't see, but they have done a great job today. And thank you for being here. See you next year. Bye bye.